I don't really have to stand anymore because the Senate President already responded in the manner that I believe is becoming of the Senate. Senator Tulfo, madali niyo naman akong tanungin, alam niyo naman kapatid ko si Alan, kung gusto niyo may iparating. Huwag na ho kayo magdrama ng mga pa-hostage. Hindi ho tayo ganito dito. And I certainly hope, that you don't set a precedent kasi I don't know the Senate President to be that way. I don't know the Majority Floor Leader to be that way. He happens to be seated beside the former Senate President. The Minority Floor Leader doesn't happen to be here. I can talk to him. Pag in-ignore niya kayo and the next day, wala pa rin, then sige, sabihin niyo yung gusto niyo. Pero wag naman sanang ganun. Wala ko akong naalalang ganun magsalita dito sa Senate for the 19 years that I've been a senator. Yun lang naman po. Thank you, Mr. Senate President.
What's the pleasure of Senator Raffy Tulfo?
Sandali, Mr. President, ubusin ko muna yung tawa ko. Never po ako nagdrama dito. Simula nung ako'y maging senador, never ever po ako nagdrama rito. Halugugin niyo po yung mga post sa social media. Never niyo ako nakita nagdrama o ginamit to para mag-grandstanding. Alam niyo po yan. Alam na lahat ng tao rito. Sino ang nagdadrama? Tumingin muna kayo sa salamin bago kayo magsalita. Salamat po.
Pareho naman pong majority and minority gusto ng mag-focus sa trabaho.
Yeah.
At kanina ho, natapos na ho natin yung anti-hospital detention na napakaganda po yung debate at pag-amenda. At naniniwala po ako na mabubuon rin natin itong mga committees natin sa pamamagitan ng coordination between yours truly and the majority leader.
Yeah, Mr. President, we'll just both reach out to our dear friend,
Yes.
the Minority Floor Leader. He hasn't been feeling well, so let's give him.
We'll reach out to him.
We'll reach out to him, and by tomorrow we can settle this issue and elect already the members of the minority.
Correct.
But at least I can guarantee and say that Senator Amy is on all those committees as being Deputy Minority Floor Leader. She's in all those committees.